Hello and welcome. My name is Meredith and I am a member of the education team at the Children's Museum of New Hampshire. Thank you for watching our series of videos all about play-based learning. Today's topic is questions. Questions to ask children while they're playing, as well as questions to ask yourself while you are planning or facilitating play. Let's get started. The concept of open-ended questions is easy to understand. They're questions that prompt a response beyond a simple yes or no. Sometimes coming up with open-ended questions and using them while your child plays can be a little trickier. Let's imagine a child is playing with bubbles. There are a number of close-ended questions that you could ask while they're playing. Are you having fun? Do you like bubbles? Did you see how high that bubble went? We can easily turn these close-ended questions into open-ended questions by making a few changes. Are you having fun could turn into tell me about what you're doing. Similarly, do you like bubbles could morph into what about bubbles do you like so much? And asking, did you see how high that bubble went? Could turn into a lesson about air by saying, why do you think that bubble was able to go so high? Here are some tips for crafting open-ended questions. Try posing a problem, thinking about possibilities, clarifying thinking, and asking questions that spark wonder. There are lots of questions that you can ask yourself when you're setting up play-based experiences beyond, is this play-based? Here are some examples. We advise caregivers to explore this question at the museum all the time. We find that groups and families that let the child lead the way have a more enjoyable experience in the museum than the groups that shuffle children through exhibits trying to see everything. A child may spend an hour sorting mail in our post office exhibit and never see the dinosaur exhibit, and that's okay. They're learning through the play they're doing in that space. Ask yourself, do I have an expected learning outcome that needs to happen in order to make this activity successful? Also ask, are there ways for children with different learning styles to experience and enjoy this activity? Play-based learning doesn't mean the adult takes a back seat and spends a few hours scrolling on their phone. There are lots of ways for caregivers to be active participants. Engaging with children and asking open-ended questions, practicing parallel play, doing the same activity as the child but in your own space, not trying to lead them, their play remains independent, planning ahead and leaving plenty of time for exploration of activities. Play should not be rushed. Simply join in and play as well and see where the learning and the conversation leads you. Asking questions, whether to children or to yourself, is a great way to enhance play. It's an easy strategy to share knowledge, initiate conversation, and broaden the scope of the learning taking place.